Sir, previously when you had said that you would be providing legal support to the people who are innocent in...
Support is a democratic fundamental right. You cannot stop me. Tomorrow if Arnab Goswami, a case is booked against him, then he'll have to take legal help. That's the case. So legal help has to be given to everyone. That cannot be stopped according to Constitution. So if you have proof, please give it to the police, and I'm sure the police will take action on them. Thank you.
Sir, one last question. One last question, sir, please. It's only because, sir, one last question, please. It's only because you have supported them in the past. There have been talks saying that it has encouraged...
You have seen my office over here. I will support anyone who wants legal help, irrespective of religion or caste, because providing legal help is a democratic right of every Indian citizen, and no Tom, Dick and Harry can take away that right. If even Sadhvi Pragya Thakur was given legal help, even Sadhvi Pragya Thakur had a lawyer. So how can you stop that? So,
Sir, is it right for a person who's saying I will cause more blasts in Hyderabad like the Dijanara blast?
Do not agree with such lumpen elements. Please provide that video to the police, and immediately they'll inquire and take action.
Sir, we just want to know if you would recall what you said previously, because two of the people...
Either you stick to one question or two questions. What I have said in future is on record. Now you are making a new disclosure. Please go ahead, give it to the Commissioner of Police, they'll inquire.
Sir, two of the people that you had actually guaranteed legal support have confessed on video that they are related with ISIS and they have been involved in ISIS.
Fantastic, then the case is finished. Fantastic, then the case is finished. Please, I think so you should become the lawyer from the government or the witness. Give it to the court, give it to the police. The case is finished. If they are confessing to it, then fantastic. Then they should be sentenced immediately. Why there should be so much?
Sir, then should we completely belittle the fact that there have been talks that because you had supported them, a lot of people are encouraged to actually get into this sort of...
Not at all, not at all. I have condemned ISIS. I continue to condemn ISIS. I do not consider them as Muslims. I have called them dogs of hell. That is also on record, which you don't want to talk about it. That is your problem. I cannot help you. But